welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Balk Springs Library. I'm Miss Teresa. This is where we make easy recipes for teens, adults, or your whole family. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back to Foodie Friday. We're going to make a sugar-free chocolate mousse. It's a very low calorie. I usually divide this up into 5 sections about this size, and the 5 sections would be less than 200 calories per serving, okay? So first you're going to start off with some of the, I hope I turned the right way, some of the Cool Whip sugar-free whipped topping. You're going to need a box of the sugar-free chocolate fudge. This is optional, but I have the sugar-free caramel sauce by Smucker's. And lastly is some sugar-free chocolate chips. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your whipped topping and you're going to dump it into a bowl. So we're just going to dump that in there. You can see it's room temperature. Okay, sorry, I'm making a mess, which is usually the thing in the kitchen I do the best. And last thing. Alright. And then we're going to take our box of pudding mix. Up. Sprinkle it all in. And the reason why this is a chocolate mousse rather than a chocolate pudding is because we didn't mix the chocolate pudding mix with the milk first before we added the whipped topping. We just mix it straight in. So that makes it more of a mousse consistency, more of a dessert for you. And whenever you're trying to cut calories and your sugar, if you're diabetic or you're just trying to eat healthier for the new year, this is a great way. If you're having a really strong craving, a sweet tooth craving, this is delicious. And believe me, my teenage sons eat this, so if they will eat it, I'm telling you, it's delicious. Okay, so like I said, we get 5 servings out of this, okay? So a serving of our chocolate chip is 1 tablespoon. So we're going to need 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. We're gonna mix those in. I like this. Now if you don't like the crunch of the chocolate chips in your mousse, you want it to stay smooth, silky, then don't add them. That's up to you, you know. All right. And then last thing I'm going to add is the sugar-free caramel sauce. Again, if you don't like caramel, don't add it. The serving size of this is 2 tablespoons per serving, so since we're doing 5, we're going to add a total of 10 tablespoons, okay? 1, now if you wanted to measure it out in cups, it would be almost 3/4. It would be like just over between 1/2 and 3/4, okay? So obviously this is going to be a minute, so just give me one moment, okay? caramel sauce all up in there. Now from here, I would take a knife, scrape it down, make sure I got everything down there, and then I would put it in my 5 containers. Once I put it in my 5 containers, I could give it a little drizzle with the caramel sauce, add a few chocolate chips to it, and then put them in the refrigerator for 24 hours, at least overnight. You could eat it right away, and I have eaten this right away, but it is so much better whenever you let it set overnight and let all those flavors marry together, okay? But that is your chocolate mousse. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday. I hope you had fun making the recipe. Remember to like, follow, share. We love seeing your creations. Also, if you're a local restaurant in the Box Springs Mesquite area and like to be featured on one of our programs, please contact the Box Springs Library. We'd love to have you as a featured guest. And until next time, bon appetit.